Morning, guys. Finally, our first week of real money trading is completed. I from 5 days, I did upload 3 days of overview and review of what my trades were and what like mistakes I did. Right, so everything was good and just the like I did made mistakes and I need to learn more. So that's what we are going to review it. I did not upload fourth and fifth of no sorry. I did not upload 5th and 6th December of my trades and stuff because I don't know. I'm like, is it maybe I was busy with something or I got no time? Or I guess I was over trading. Like all day I was trading, even after hours I was trading, which I never do, but I was doing it. And even and on Friday, like 6th of December, I did woke up like 4 a.m. pop for my like pre-market open, right? So I never do that, but I directly wake up at 7 a.m. and then I go into market open 9:30 a.m. and that's it. Like about 10, I do 10 and I'm done, right? And I think I overtraded on those 2 days. So that's what we are here to like. Overall, our week is in negative right now, around minus 2 or 3 percentage of account, right? And I did try to get my IBKR thing here, like it's not giving me. See, I'll show you that. If I go login and it won't let me log in because see, due to schedule maintenance, clients may be unable to connect. So I am not able to download my weekly reports right now, and but I did downloaded it yesterday, and I'm looking at it, and so what I got is I'm still in negative of 2 or 3 percentage of my overall account, right? So, and I have my weekly thing. See, daily, if I say December 2nd, we did really nice on SNTI. SNTI was a biotech ticker and it was popping up because of the, what was the thing? Wait, I know. Just a sec. So SNTI we made over $412, and that was a biotech ticker. It was private placement, right? Private placement, which is really nice. And we what is with the camera, bro? Okay, got it. So we got SNTI private placement news catalyst. We made really nice money. 1 hour we traded and we made around over six, just no, not over, just almost $600, but we did lost some money. So it was actually about a 20 percentage, about 19.8 percentage account growth on the same day, but we lost some and we closed at 12% growth, right? And then the next day we made again very first 25 minutes of trade, we made CTNT over $120, which was really nice. We were account My account was about 8% up, and then I lost so many things in JFBR, Zena, and that was all in pre-market and market open CTNT. I traded that again and made a loss, and I was in my bed and we learned all those things, right? So you can look at those videos if you haven't watched it. And the third day, which I just uploaded yesterday, I made a profit of 93 overall on the day. I was up 3% up, which I made losses and then I made profit. And then I figured out that let's not overtrade today. So I figured out on the 4th of December that I made losses and I did these kind of mistakes on 3rd December. So I don't have to repeat that. I don't have to do overtrade, right? On Thursday, we comes up. So yeah, 4th of December, that was, yeah, 93%. Our account is up 3%, which is nice. But on 5th and 6th, I have not uploaded videos. On 5th, I was down to 11%, almost 12% of my account. And back 6th, I am up 13% of my account. But overall, if we say this week has been negative of 2 or 3%, I'm not sure about that. I will look into this. But negative of 2 or 3% we are on our account this week. Very first week, it's not been so nice, but it's not been so bad because previously when I like few months ago when I started when I started getting real money into this, I kept on making losses continuously every single day, right? And this week I figured out that, oh, if I wait for a little longer time, if I take my profits out fast, sometimes I need to take out my profits fast. Like it pops up and then it never comes back up again, right? So I need to take out my profits fast, don't have to enter at the extended levels. I have to, sometimes I need patience. Like if I know it is a all day runner, then I have to wait for 1 or 2 hours to let it go up, and I can like so nicely take profits. Okay, 3, 2, 1, continue. Yeah, so I was telling that Tara, we got really nice move in the pre-market, right? That was around 7 a.m. Let me put it to this regular time. Yeah. So volume was increasing, and 7:30 a.m. just I got in. It kept on going up, and then it gave a pullback. So right, so I got in 7:30s. No, on this very first pop, it went up a pullback, and then 7:30 was my entry exactly, and I got from 490s to 570. Yeah, 570s, which was a really nice one. It went up to 585s, but I got 570s. I'm all out. Then I was trading BJTX, right? BJDX, sorry. BJDX was really nice. Where is that? Uh, Here. Yeah. So I was trading BJDX, and that morning around 8 a.m. to 8:24, I made a small loss. 8 a.m. Yeah, not 7. Yeah, 8 a.m. I got in because it started to pop up, and I thought, okay, this is the thing. It kept, and then it gave a pullback, and I entered exactly 8 a.m. and then it went down, right? So that was a small loss. It was not big one, but I mean, I was trying to trade so many things, even if I made Tara, even if I made money in Tara, okay, which is fine. Like it was a small loss. This is not bad. But then I see RKDA popping up. Now RKDA was not like since 4 a.m. it was not going anywhere, but then it just started to pop around 8. See, do you see this? There was no pre-market before 8 a.m. and I got in exactly like when it started to pop, right? So 802 or 803, what was my entry? It was 545. Oh, up here. 545 up here, and then it went down. It was holding VWAP. I am still in. It was holding 9 EMA. Yellow line is my 9 EMA. 1 minute candle, and went up. I took my profits out around around 565, and then, oh, I see. So this same candle I went in and I went out. Okay. And then after this pullback, I am taking my re-entries. First pop was 50 shares. I was trying to go in small, like not big one, because this shit was just popping up, right? It was on the news. What was the news? It was really nice news on that day. No, not this one. Wait. Yeah, so that was the news. 209% combination agreement, right? So which is a nice news, and it was popping and it showed up in my percentage gainers right on the scanner, and then I got in again 200 shares now this time from 8 where is that? Yeah, I got in again 200 shares and I sold out around, it says 770, and 8 were my exits. And then later I took one more, like third one, right? And my entry, I didn't had another entry. My exits were 830s, 840s and stuff, and I was out until 840, though it went up to 935, but my exit was 840 year, around here 851. Yeah, 851 am I am all out. So this was a good profit. Then I did not trade RKDA, but I did took again Tara, which was again small loss, and then I re-entered again Tara. Like so since morning I traded I think 3 or 4 times in Tara, And then RKDA was nice profit, right? And BJDX was a small loss. After market open, I'm trading CYCN, MIGI, Tara, RKDA, Foxo, all these small shares, but big losses. So because I got one profit, maybe two profits, and then I kept on making losses around it. So this is completely over trading. And on 5th of December, I was down to $369, which which accounts up to $12 of 12 percentage of my account is down. If we come to 6th of December, which is Friday, I was waiting for a 4 a.m. pop. 4 a.m. pop, when it comes, I was in GXAI. Okay, if we look at this thing, I had, wait, my very first thing was GXAI. I did I did plot all the levels in all of these guys, right? From CBEO, AD, LEV, these were my top watches, and GXAI and PW, if it pops up, I am going in. So GXAI, it went up. PW was like not much volume, so I was not in. I did not like it. And then GXAI, when it pops up, very first minute, it popped up, and my entry was about there, which was extended. And I figured out that okay, I knew like very first 4 a.m. pop I should not be trading because that is just random shit going anywhere, and people who have been holding last after hours yesterday will sell into this pop, right? And I knew that. I mean, I also do that. After hours, I take sometimes and I overnight it and pop and sell in the pop of the pre-market, like right. So that is what I figured out, and then it went up. It was nice, but then ad was something going up, right? This was a nice mover in pre-market, not in market open. As you can see, market open it dumped. So pre-market it went very nice. This one, this pop, I missed this one, like coming from 450s to 635s. I missed that one. It and then I figured out, oh fuck, it will come up. And this single candle, do you see this big death candle? And that's why on FOMO I entered, and this shit made me loss. It was extended entry, and then I figured out let's not go in ad. But then later in the time, I see it is nice. I should have entered ad because what was the thing? 455 is what it started. It went up to 1050s. Wow, that was around almost $5 of that was almost $5 of move in pre-market, like from 4 a.m. to 5:30. 1.5 hour, $5 move. That was nice, but I did not trade ad, right? Then I got in UPC. UPC, I got really nice profits into that, which I covered GXAI loss and a ad loss. Both losses were covered in UPC. Where the heck is your UPC? UPC, I was scalping very first time, okay, and then this was, see, I was scalping here and then I got out. But then when it started to pop up, it went up to 360, and then I took this. I was in the halt, and it was really nice. I sold out 470s, 460s, nice profit, really nice thing, right? And I should have been stopped trading right now. After I make two losses, I have to stop trading. After I make some profit, and if I hit my take profit, I have to get out. So what we were understanding is I did made losses in the in kind of these things, but I did made profit. CT and SNTI was the very first profit of the day, like a big one, right? Of the week, of whole week. See this one, starting from pre-market, I kept on holding for 1.5 hours, and then we got profit. This was December 2nd. Coming back, coming from 480s for stuff. What? Uh, wait, here, yeah, 520 stuff. We got about 1370s was our last exit, which is really nice move. And that was the thing. CTNT was the our top performer on, no, not CTNT. Yeah, CTNT was, but then we lost it, right? But then we lost it. And LIFW, that ticker gave us profit when it was just LIFW just yesterday, right? It was very nice in after hours, and I literally took this when it started popping in after hours. So not every after hour trading is over trading, because I figured out this was the resistance. It went up from here. This is when I knew, this exact same point 1426 is when I knew that okay, it's popping, but it went up to 225, came back down to twos, and then I was looking for this 9 EMA break, right, which was around 210s. So it broke exactly at 1439 and I entered at this candle, right? But my entry was 213s, and then I kept on, like, let it go, and it went up to what, 412s, but my exits were like around here, right? My very first exit was 285. That's it. 285, and then it went to 320s and stuff, and then I was taking those profits out, and I took my last profit out around 380s, 385, and then it went up to, but I did not take profits here. And when it came down, when it broke this 9 EMA again on the downside, I my exit was to 360, right? So 360, this was a really nice move, and it was, I was very much patient. About uh, about 40 minutes of this trade made me around almost $400, because I was in big number of shares, right? But I was taking profits in middle of the, right? So like, not, if I am 600 shares and $2 doesn't mean I made a $1,200, because I am taking out profits in middle of the road. So the thing is, I did take profits. My top performance were S and TI, 24% up. But on that day, we were up 12% because we did made losses. LIFW, we got 18% of that move, this one. And then CYCN on 5th of December. Yes, we got 13% move, and then we lost in other ones, right? So that was really nice moves. But the thing is, I need to learn is, when I make profits, get out of the trade, stop, shut your system down, and then enjoy your day, bro. Because you made profits. That is what we need. My daily target is $60, which is 3% up my account. And if I make 9% up, I have made 16% up on a day, sometimes 12 and sometimes 20 also. This week I'm telling about, right? So 20% up when it was, and then I made losses, and then I closed my day on 12%. I could have stopped trading when I made profit. So that is what I need, right? Do not trade whatever I am looking at. JFBR was a big loss. On that day, I made a profit on what? Uh, yeah, it was like a half. It was like a small day because I did not trade so much. CTNT was really nice profit on 3rd of December. I did upload that thing. But I entered JFBR and Xena just because it was popping up out of nowhere, and I got in and I got out instantly because just 2 minutes my loss. CTNT, I made profits really nice in 25 minutes of market open in 7 a.m. when I woke up, right? 7 a.m. 25 minutes I made my profit. I should be going to sleep, and then I did not go to sleep. Guess what? I did trade for one more hour, made JFBR and Xena loss, and then I'm coming up back to market open. CTNT, I'm trading again because I'm in loss now, right? So I'm trading again, and then market open, I was in my bed, and I'm trading CTNT again on my phone, which doesn't make me a professional trader. I cannot see what rejections, what kind of chart patterns I am able to see on my laptop, which that I can see on my phone, right? Then I need to also get on my IBKR mobile app, which is not fast executions, and I made more losses. So that is what I learned, to not, like, always trade A plus setups, always trade in A plus environment. I'm sitting on my chair professionally looking at all the charts, all my other screens with my Discord channel and all the stuff, right? So I need to be professional. And when I am professional, I can take A plus setups. I can figure out what is running, what should be. I am in, right? I mean, there will be so many things running, but I don't have to get in every ticker. I only trade A plus setups is my thing, right? Sometimes if you get your money fast, like a single second pop, sell it out, you take your profit, you hit your profit targets, go sleep again, never trade on that single day, because I don't want to make losses. So next week I am going on so strong into this thing. Did got some top performers on SNTI, LFW and CYCN, right? They were really nice movers, and we captured them. There were few movers also, like other ones too, which, like GME. Oh yeah, last week, this week GME was popping because of the Roaring Kitty tweeted something, and just like it was literally nothing, just a screen, and it said GME is moving, and like, what the fuck, bro? And that's why it popped like so much, and that's crazy. So there were so many tickers running last week. It was a good, like, it was not a penny theme, it was biotech ticker private placement stuff, and we want to look at news catalyst. So our main goal next week is, we are going strong into next week, right? We learned so many things. Our very first week wasn't so much profitable, we made profits, which is still better than what I was doing previous time, right? So this is going good. We are doing nicely. The only thing is, we need to keep our profits to ourselves. We know when to trade, when not to trade, what are our A plus setups, and we only need to trade A plus setups. I need to, like, not go into my bed and trade on my phone. That doesn't work. I need to see my, look at my charts. I need to look at my, like, I have my hot screens here and everything. So that thing is way much important, and I need to follow my rules. Okay, I know what kind of volume, float, and relative volume percentage change I'm looking for, and what are the news catalysts that could be something really good. And one more thing I figured out when I was on my bed trading CTNT on my phone, that there were so many rejections on the upside. So if we get so many rejections, I have to, like, get out of the trade just on the spot, right? I do that, but I was on my phone. I was not able to see my chart, so that's something I needed to figure out, right? Other learnings I got from is, like, start with 25% of my average position, so that is something good. And yeah, like, that's all. Like, make your money, shut the system down. I will be joining gym. I got my membership from today, from, like, right now. I was there. So I got my gym membership starting again. I was working out about 6 7 months ago, and I took a long break, which I should not be doing that, but I needed it, because I wanted to learn this skill, like, very much focused I want to be in. And then I have learned it now, right? Now I need to figure out that I make my profit, go home, go sleep, go work out, go, I have, like, so many things. I'm building my SaaS, right? I'm building my software, and I, like, it's not launched yet, but my website is launched, and I need to make my paid ads, and there are so many marketing stuff I need to figure out on that topic. I'm also making my reels on my, self confidence, and there are so many things like self improvement content I'm making into. And I'm also studying business admin right now. So every morning from 9 to 12 a.m, 9 a.m to 12 noon. So that happens like every day, 5 days a week. And I'm also doing a part-time job that is my evening time, right? So I have all my morning time with me to figure out what I need to do, right? I am usually up middle of the night, and I need to make my profit fast. I mean, sometimes I need to wait, be patient for an hour or so, but if I make my money fast, I go home, go sleep, like go to my bed, and then I wake up on my time, go study my shit, and I do my marketing stuff, building my SaaS, and then I need to also now I'll be going 1 hour for my gym, so I need to allot that time and need to focus on my diet and all this stuff because of the gains, and I need to build my muscles, right? So all these things, next week we are going very strong. December is going to be the magic month. I am talking since last quarter of 2024. I have been telling myself that this quarter is the magic quarter, because last 4 months I have been doing so much focused into trading, and that's because I need to learn my skills and all this stuff, and I have been like focusing into this thing. I started my real money trading now this week, and it has been doing good. We were been doing good. My account is down to 2%, but that's not a big thing. The thing is, good thing is, I have been doing better than what I was a year ago. So I'm proud of myself, and we are going so strong into this. We are making money. 2025 is our money making year, and we are going so strong. Believe it, guys. 1 year is nothing. 1 year, I learned this thing December, like November 29th, November 30, 2023. Today is December 7th, 2024. It's been exactly 1 year, right? December 2nd was my very first day real money. December 7th, I traded 5 days, and very nice. Okay, I'll see you again. If you haven't watched my previous videos, do make sure to watch it. And I will be uploading tomorrow. I will be uploading my video on what kind of specific indicators I'm using, how hotkeys I'm into, right? What kind of broker I'm using, what kind of commissions they are charging, everything I will be making videos on. Maybe next week, not tomorrow. And we will be also looking into what we are looking for next week, like Mondays and all the stuff. I have swing trades, two of the swing trades which I'm holding still. What was that? I don't remember. Oh, I remember. So here, into my swing thing, I have so many watch lists for my 2 days, for my low floaters, and I have these swings, right? So I have my CREV. I am holding it. 235 is my entry. No, not 235. Sorry. Uh, yeah, 340s is my entry on CREV, and Oris is 330s is my entry around here bottom, right? So we are looking for a Monday pop into this. That's all we're looking for. But we are going very strong into the next month, very focused. I will try only trade one or two all day, only one or two trades all day, because I want A plus setups, not less than that. I'm not compromising my quality of the setups. Okay, let's go strong into next week. I'll see you. Okay.